All right, for this asparagus, blue cheese, and bacon side dish, you just want to take your asparagus. I usually cut a couple inches off the bottom. Get some of the woodier pieces on the end off. And not to mention, I'm using this cast iron pan. This is a Blackstone pan, and I use it for all kinds of stuff. But the asparagus cut a few inches off the bottom. Well, look at that. Look how well that fits, right? Okay, so what you want to do with your asparagus from here is we're going to use some olive oil. And you just want to drizzle some olive oil all over it. And granulated garlic. Okay, kind of mix it up real nice. Get it coated. Now, this would be fine in your smoker just like this. But we got to have bacon, and we got to, the blue cheese will go on at the end, but as you might think, we're going to put some bacon in here, but we're going to smoke this in my Lone Star grills, and I happen to have this cooling rack that fits just perfect with these feet, just perfect over this asparagus. You're wondering, perfect for what? Well, I've got some leftover bacon from a few different cooks. So what we're going to do is cook our bacon right over the asparagus. So we'll get a little of the bacon fat dripped in there. And when the bacon is cooked, we're going to chop it up and add it into the asparagus. Let's get this in the grill. We got our Lone Star pellet grills today. I'm turning it up to 325. It was set at 225 because I got this stuffed pork loin over here wrapped in bacon. You should have already seen that video if you've been following me. If not, go check it out. So while it heats up to 325, it's already at 225. I'm going to get this bacon going so it starts cooking. But it'll be cooking at 325. And bacon has been going for about 45 minutes. I think the bacon, we're going to put the bacon down below and try to get it cooked up over here on the bottom. The asparagus is looking nice and roasted, so I'm going to take it off, and when the bacon's done, we'll get the bacon, the blue cheese, we'll get it heated back up, and it'll be ready to serve. Okay, look at that. Okay, so we got our asparagus, and now we're going to add our chopped up bacon, smoked bacon. Quite a bit of it in here. Okay, mix it up a little bit. A couple more pieces. And now for the blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese. Crumble that in. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take this back out to the grill for about 5 minutes and just let it heat up and let this cheese melt a little bit. How's that look? There we go. Blue cheese, bacon, smoked asparagus in the Lone Star pellet grills. This is going with a bacon wrapped pork loin that we had. So let's just see if I can get a bite out of this and wrap this up. Sides to go with your barbecue. Wow, that blue cheese and bacon with the asparagus, my. That does taste pretty amazing. All right, everybody. There you go. Thanks for checking this out. Make incredible sides for your barbecue. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. All right, thanks. Bye.